is Megan from the Grand Rapids Children's Museum. This week we are celebrating the museum's birthday, and of course, we're celebrating play. Today, it's all about bubbles! I'm going to show you how to make your own bubble wands and share a bubble recipe with you. You can also use store-bought bubbles and they work just fine. First, mix 1 gallon of cold water with 1 cup of Dawn dish soap. Then add 1 tablespoon vegetable glycerin and mix. That's it. Wait about an hour before you use your bubble mixture. Next, let's make our bubble wands. Gather or find some sticks or wooden dowels. Next, twist chenille stems in a loop shape. Experiment with different shapes. You can also experiment with string or rope. Check out the video for an example of how to make your own bubble wands using strings to make giant bubbles. Let's blow some bubbles.